Can you really make money copy and paste? Yes, you can. And I'm gonna give you a total walkthrough of a business that I am a member of. It's called Copy and Paste Ads, and as in any business, you gotta put in the work. And if you're being consistent and pasting this pre-written ads, and you can earn up to $300 per day. And here you see a business model. Here's testimonials about the business and so on. You will see this page when you opt in through the link below, so you can watch it by yourself. And all upgrades this month include 3,000 login page ads and 3,000 banner ad credits on the new Auto Builder advertising platform. You get to create your great platform when you are a member from inside the dashboard of Copy and Paste Ads. And here we have what you get access to. Pre-written your ads. They have free site where you can ads for free, 100 places for that. We also have options for if you want to speed up your earning. We have also resources for paid sources for that as well. I'm gonna show you the back office soon, so then you will see everything. And then we have step-by-step instructional videos, recorded training and webinars, CAPA, ad tracking software, access to private Facebook groups, 7+ lead capture pages and funnels, 15+ autoresponder messengers that you can just copy and paste into your autoresponder campaign, reverse one-up compensation, have one pass up. That's your second sign up. You will pass that up to your sponsor, but you of course get the same benefit to get help from your downline to build your income. And you can earn $100 for every VIP membership after you pass up your second sale. But the first sale comes to you. And email support and FAQ area. So let's now to you have on the first page when you log in, you have some of the best places to advertise. It's Craigslist, it's Recycler.com, PennySaverUSA.com, it's OfferUp.com, it's ClassifiedAds.com, and sorry about that, Nation Rotator, that you can pay a small fee and then have your link put paid option down for your traffic, solo ads and stuff, other sources. And you have banner ads here to put on your blog or in other places. And here you can access members training and other resources and so on. And here you can check your stats, how many visitors and clicks you got to your pages. But when you first log in here and are new, you just can click new member start here. Make sure to go through the training totally before you start to promote. Here we have the video trainings module, very easy to follow, and everything you need to know to make the system work correctly for you. It's recommended that you set up more than one to make it easier for your referrals to pay you. And step 2, instruction how to update your profile. And here we have sample ads, top places to post ads, done for your traffic, paid traffic, and how to post the ads, for instance on Craigslist. And here you have a training over the members here. And here you find bonus ad credits that you can find on the advertising platform we have built in here, the sample ads for instance. Here's the recommendation of posting 5 to 10 paid ads a week But if you don't if you can't afford the paid ads, you can post daily on all the free ad site that you get a list of. And here you have a different. Let's check out top place. So here are 20 examples of places you can post your already written ads. Those are ads that convert very well. And here's even a post on classified sites if you search for them online, and so yeah, here under resources you can find top 100 places to post. Places where you can. Not everyone is a pure ad site, but maybe pay to post. But many of these are in fact free to post at. So yeah. The system has already these ads built in and get sent out automatically when someone opts in, but it's also good if you connect your autoresponder and build your list for yourself that way. So you just copy and paste these ads inside a Weber or GetResponse. Step-by-step instruction how to enter your autoresponder list and so on as well inside the members area. When you just click on make primary to make it one of these pages your primary. When you share your link, start making $100 per sign up from this system, then below, and thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.